Welcome to St. Elizabeth, Jamaica, my friends. And I spent 2 days in St. Elizabeth exploring what this parish has to offer, from the coolest bar in the world to exploring a safari. Come explore St. Elizabeth with me. Now, any road trip involves a good breakfast. So I stopped at Melrose Yam Park in Manchester for some authentic Jamaican food. Let's check it out. So I am at Melrose Yam Park, that's what we call it. I'm here with Deirdre.
I'm here for the ride and the food.
She's here for the ride. So you have a nice little area here where you can, sit down. The bathroom is there, you have to pay $50 to use it. And we're just sitting down here and just chilling. So enjoy my adventure.
Let's get to it.
This is the food that you get. I have some Ikson saltfish here, saltfish with potato. This is with yam, orange juice. Alright, so I'm here having the Ikson saltfish with the yam. Tastes pretty good. It's a lot of food, but it's really good. So on our way to St. Elizabeth, we decided to stop at Holland Bamboo for a few photos and just to chill. This is one of the most photographed spots in Jamaica. It's a long scenic stretch of bamboo that provides cool shade. So we're here at Holland Bamboo, just stopping to get some footage. You come here if you want to get some nice coconut, peanuts, stop at one of the stalls, get some nice food, and yeah, just relax and enjoy. See it here? This is it. A beautiful scenery, really nice. So one thing you need to know is that the bamboo here, this is what they use to make rafts. So if you ever go rafting on the Rio Grande or Martha Brae, this is the material that they use to make the raft. Alright, so we're here at YS Falls. We have a little trail here that you have to walk. So you can just zip line in here. I'm not going to do that. So you can see here, this is the YS Falls. Part of it is really, really gorgeous. Look at that view behind me. A really nice backdrop. It's a really, really nice place. I feel like I'm in the jungle. I can't wait to go in the water. Look at this. That's so amazing. Alright, so we're about to head to our next adventure, Black River Safari.
Woohoo!
So one thing you have to know, make sure you call before you go there, because you know they have specific times that they have the tour. So we went there and they told us that, you know, we had to wait a little bit. So we decided to check out a little bar near the beach called, what's the name of it? Kruggies. Yeah, they sell nice beer, food, and we just hanged out for a little bit and just enjoyed ourselves. So yeah. Follow us on our next adventure.
Off we go.
After our food stop, we headed to our final destination for the day, Lashing's Boutique Hotel. It is located in the quiet area of Treasure Beach. This boutique hotel is an affordable option for a one-night stay. The following morning, we got up early and made our way to the coolest bar in the world, the famous Floyd's Pelican bar. Now to get there, you have to take a boat, so we contacted the bar via Instagram and they arranged transportation from the beach to take us to the bar. Now the boat ride from the beach is about 10 minutes away. Pelican bar, me and my party, yes, a real
Traveling
trooper,
with Toniann.
a real trooper duper, holding it down. So we're here at the bar, taking a little swim. They have a restaurant here where you can get fish and you can just have a good time and just enjoy the water. So it's overcast. So there you have it, guys. We've covered the best of St. Elizabeth in 48 hours. Now, if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, Travel with Toniann.